Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. I hope you are enjoying the videos. Until now, we have completed 3 chapters, first, second and third. So now moving forward, we are moving to chapter number 4, that is multiplication. So students, for multiplication chapter, one most important thing is you should know the tables. Okay, from 2 to 20. In the starting you should learn 2 to 10, revise it regularly, then try to learn it more like 11 to 20. So if you are learning up to 20 all the tables and revising it regularly, because sometimes what happens students, you are knowing, you have learned already. Today you have learned, after few days if someone will ask you tell me the table of 15, you will forget. Okay, so for remembering it permanently you should revise it regularly, either in the morning or at night before sleeping. Okay, so students, do one thing. So we are moving to exercise 4.1. So please remember, please learn the tables properly from 2 to 20. And now we are going to start the chapter, that is chapter 4, multiplication. So students, see here in exercise 4.1, 2 questions are given which I will tell you one by one. So before starting this students, I am going to tell you some facts about multiplication. So what is that fact or what are that facts that I will tell you now. So students, I am writing it here. So first fact, what is the first fact? So the first fact is when you are multiplying any number. Students, already you have learned the table in class 1, 2 and even KG2 also you have learned the tables up to 10. So now try to learn more. So you are knowing the tables. So I'll ask you some questions, just give reply. Okay. So see students, the first fact is, I'll tell you the fact, then you will be able to answer. So like first fact is we can change the order of the numbers while multiplying and the answer remains the same. What is the meaning of this? So when students, when we are multiplying 2, we are reading the table of 2 up to 3. Means we are telling 2 3 ja. And if we are telling 3 2s, means we are writing 3 first, then 2 afterwards here. So if I am telling 2 3 ja and if I am telling 3 2 ja, if I am changing the order, this is the change of order, the answer remains same. That's why I am putting equal sign here. Means 2 3 ja is also 6 and 3 2 ja is also 6. So students, if we change the order of multiplication, the numbers, the answer remains the same. Means if any number is given and the question, so it is given that is like 5 6 are 30 and 6 5 is also 30. So you can change the order of multiplication. Okay, this is the first fact. So if I am telling you 5 7s are answer, knowing? Yes, 10. 5 7s is 35. Very good. And if I am telling 7 5s now, answer 35. Yes. So 7 5s is also 35. So students, this is the only first fact of multiplication. Now, what is the second fact? Second fact is students, when we multiply any number like 7 multiplied by, if we are multiplying any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. Means if we are multiplying 7 with 1, the answer is 7. If we are multiplying 2 digit like 52 with 1, the answer is 52. So don't be confused, like we are remembering the table like 2 1s are 2. We are multiplying 2 with 1, we are getting 2. 3 with 1, 3, 4 with 1, 4, like that. 52 into 1, 52. So when we multiply any number with 1, we are getting the answer 8. See, is it visible here? Yes. So if any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is number itself. Okay students? Now moving to the third fact. The third fact is that when any number like 58 is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0. If you are taking 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, whatsoever number you will take, when you will multiply with 0, the answer will be 0. So remember this fact. it will be easy for you to solve the problems related to it in this chapter, that is chapter number 4. So students, I hope you have understood these 3 facts, and depending on these 3 facts we will solve this exercise 4.1. So student, question number 1 is find the missing factors using multiplication table. Now you have to read the table. So 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by blank. Here blank is given, nothing is given. So what number you will multiply with 5 to get 30? So read the table of 30. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. 30 came? Yes. So 5, how much we get 30? 5 fives are 30? No. 5 6s are 30. 5 6s are 30. Okay, remember. So like this, we can read the table and we can find the answer present over here. Okay, students. Now, 4. Table of 4 when 16 comes. When 16 will come, you have to stop. Okay. So now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Stop. Yes. 4 fours are 16. Very good. Now, table of 8. When 48 will come, I will tell stop. You also read with me the tables. Up to 48. Table of 8 up to 48. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48. Stop. So 8 6s are 48. I think you are enjoying the video. Very good. So 9 multiplied by which number to get 27? Now up to 27. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. No. 9 threes are 27. You have to stop there only. 9 threes are 27. So we have received all the answers 1, 4, 7 and 10. Rest are also same. You can solve it by reading the tables. So students, moving to question number B. Fill in the blanks. You have to only fill the blanks by having that facts which I had told you in the starting. So 11 will be multiplied by which number to get 11? So I had told you one fact that any number is multiplied by 1. The answer is this number, means the number itself. So this number is equal to this number. So multiply it with 1. So check it once. 11 ones are 11. Yes? Very good. So now moving to question number 3. Question is 3 multiplied by 0. So I have told you the third fact. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is what? 3. No. The answer is 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay. 3 will be answer when it will be 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 0 is not 3. Clear to you? Yes, moving to next. Question number 4. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by dash. So first fact here it will be applied. Okay. So 7 6 are 42. And table of 6, what I will read, up to which I will read to get the same answer. 7 6 are 42 and 6 7s are also 42. Equal sign is here. So remember, this should be equal to this. So simply if one number is, both the numbers are given here and here any one of the number is given, so you have to write the next number here. Simply you have to remember like this. Now moving to question number 5. Which number will be multiplied by 25? I think I had written the half question. Fifth is 25 is equal to 0. So which number will be multiplied by 25 to get 0? So if any number is multiplied by 0, then the answer is 0. Here also we have solved same. So 0, 25, 0 multiplied by 25 is equal to 0. Like 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. You can change the order. I had told you in the first fact. 25 into 0 is equal to 0 and 0 into 25 is also equal to 0. Yes, moving to question number 12. 9 will be multiplied by which number is equal to 2 will be multiplied by dash. So simply students, here one number is given, here one number is given and 2 blanks are here. So applying the first fact, then we can interchange the order. So see here 9 is given to this. 9 will be multiplied by which number and 2 will be multiplied by which? So I will write this 2 here and add this 9 here. So now check, 9 2s are 18 and 2 9s are 18. So students, I hope you have understood these three facts and you will be able to solve question A and B, rest of the question very easily depending upon these three facts. So try to solve question exercise 4.1 A and B completely. Thank you for watching.